In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a signature request to multiple signers in Dropbox Sign. By the end, you'll be comfortable preparing a document, adding several signers, controlling the signing order, and assigning fields so each person knows exactly what to complete. Start by opening your browser and searching for Dropbox Sign. Click the official result to head to the site. If you use it often, consider bookmarking the page for faster access next time. Once you're there, log in with your account. If you're new, you can create an account in a few clicks. Make sure you're on the official Dropbox Sign page before entering your credentials. On the home page, upload the file or files you want signed, then select Next. You can bring in PDFs, Word documents, or common image formats. If you're uploading multiple files, check the order in the preview so the pages appear exactly how you want. It's a good idea to confirm that all pages are clear and legible before you continue. Now add your signers. Enter the first signer's name and email address. Then choose. Add another signer, sometimes labeled Add Signer, to include more people. Double-check email spelling to avoid bounce-backs or delays. Keep in mind the plan limits. On paid plans, you can add up to 20 signers per document, while free plans allow up to 3 signers. If you need to sign the document yourself, you can add yourself as one of the signers here. Next, adjust the signing order. Open the signer settings and decide whether to send the document to everyone at the same time or in a specific sequence. Parallel signing works well when order doesn't matter and you want speed. Sequential signing is best when one signer must complete or verify information before the next person signs. You'll now place fields on the document. Drag and drop signature, date, text, and checkbox fields onto the appropriate spots. Use the Assigned to drop down in the right sidebar to assign each field to the correct signer. This is crucial. Each field should be clearly mapped to the person responsible for it. Zoom in to align fields neatly and ensure all required fields are present so no one can submit an incomplete document. Finish by entering a clear document title and a brief message that explains what the file is and why their signature is needed. When everything looks good, click Send for signature. Your signers will receive an email with instructions, and you can track progress, resend reminders, and view the completed copy once everyone has signed.